Hey y'all, it's Chimdi and welcome to my channel. The things that make me so excited to be alive are creativity, learning and trying new things, and the sweet Lord Jesus Christ. And in these videos, I am trying to bring the joy and energy and passion and excitement for life that these things bring me to all of you. I hope that by watching my videos, you feel inspired to look for more creativity in your own life and look for the beautiful in the everyday. That you feel motivated and empowered to do things that you never thought were possible, to go places that you never thought you could go, and that you feel moved to understand what it is that you believe in, what are the tenets of your own faith, and how are you living them so that you live a life that's as beautiful as you are. If that sounds like it's up your alley, then go ahead and subscribe because we're gonna have a really good time here. And say hi in the comments because I really do love getting to know people and making new friends, and I would love to see this community flourish and grow. Thanks for watching, y'all. Let's get this journey started.